If you want to disable the add friend button on Facebook on your profile, here's how to do it. Go to Facebook, go to your profile, navigate to settings. Now scroll down and click on how people find and contact you. You're going to see the first option that says who can send you friend request. Change it from everyone to friends of friends and save. From now on, you won't have the add friend button on Facebook. Only mutual friends can add you. Strangers can't add you anymore. If you go to your profile, you're going to see you have only the follow option. No more add friend. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.